Good morning students. Today we are going to start with lesson number 15, My District, My State. My district, my state. Today we are going to learn about our district and our state. Now, this you have to do at home. I will just read it. Study a big tree in your locality using the following points. You have to study a big tree in your locality, and these are some points for it. You can study according to these points. What are the different parts of the trees? You will write what are the different parts of the trees. Which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? A tree has many small branches. What are they attached to? How many big branches does the trunk of a tree have? You will see a tree around your locality and you can study these questions by observing that tree. To be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas and districts. You will understand this better by looking at the diagram on the facing page. Means they are saying that whenever we see the tree, it has many branches. Same way our state too had made of many settlements. Means we have villages, then we have towns, then we have talukas and then we have a district. So it is same like a tree. Now you will understand it by looking to the diagram. See. Make friends with maps. Color the town, taluka, district given below in different colors. This you have to color it. By following the pictures given here, you can see how villages, cities and towns form a taluka, talukas form a district and districts form a state. So, here they have given us a Gadchiroli district and in that they have given the names of these talukas. So, which is the taluka? They have colored Amori taluka. So, this is the Amori taluka. See, here is that Amori taluka and in this Amori taluka they have colored Vairagad village. So, here it is the Vairagad village. So, first there is a village and of many villages there we form a taluka and from many talukas we form a district. And here Gadchiroli district, it is shown in Maharashtra state. Now this is our Maharashtra state and see these are the names of the districts which are there in our Maharashtra state. These are all names of the districts which are in our Maharashtra state. And there are total 35 districts in our Maharashtra state. This you can read it and understand it. So you just observe the state map of the state and you read the names of the districts. So first नंदुरबार, धुळे, नाशिक, पालघर, ठाणे, रायगड, पुणे, सातारा, रत्नागिरी, सिंधुदुर्ग, कोल्हापूर, सांगली, सोलापूर, उस्मानाबाद, बीड, लातूर, परभणी, जालना, औरंगाबाद, जळगाव, बुलढाणा, अकोला, वाशिम, हिंगोली, नांदेड, यवतमाळ, अमरावती, वर्धा, नागपूर, भंडारा, चंद्रपूर, गडचिरोली, गोंदिया. These all are the districts which are situated in Maharashtra state. So this is the south side, this is the north side, west and east. Now, and this is the index. In index they have shown the state boundary, district boundary, state capital and second capital. So you can see, observe the state, Maharashtra state and whatever the boundaries, capitals are there, you can see in this Maharashtra state. So observe this map carefully. The physical map of our state is given below. Study it carefully and write the answers to the following questions. Now, this is the proper physical Maharashtra map, Maharashtra state map. We have to observe this map, and on this map related questions are given. We have to answer that questions. Now see, first this is the map of Maharashtra. Can you see it properly? And in this Maharashtra map, they have given us the index. Now wherever you see this type of symbol, it is the river. Wherever you see this type of symbol, it is ghat or pass. Wherever you see this type of symbol, it is a peak, means mountain. Wherever you see this, it is a district headquarters. Wherever you see this blue line, it is a lake or reservoir. Now they have given us the directions: north, east, west and south. North, west, east and south. We are going to find the answers according to the given map. See, firstly I will show you. Here is the Sahyadri mountain. Here is the Sahyadri mountain. You can see the name of the Sahyadri mountain. At home you just have a look to this map. Observe this map. There are very small names given. So observe it very carefully. Now, what is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south in our state? What is the first question? What is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south? That is from north to south. We have to see from north to south. Which is the mountain which is from north to south? See here. From north to south. So this is the Sahyadri mountain, which is spread from north to south. So answer is Sahyadri mountain. What is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? Now, what is the region to the west? Now, which is the west side? This is the west side. This is the west side of the Sahyadri mountain. So, which is the west side? This is the west side. So, we have to give the name region to the mountain. So, the region name is called as Western Ghats because it is the west side. So, this is called as the Western Ghat. Next, on the shore of which sea does the region lie? Now we have to show on the shore of which sea, means which sea is located on the shore of which sea does the region lie. On which seashore does this region lie? So can you see, here is the sea. See, this is the sea. Which is the sea? Arabian Sea. Here the name is given Arabian Sea. So on the shore of which sea does the region lie? It lies on Arabian Sea. What is the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain called? Now what is the area to the east? Where is east? This side is the east. What is the name called? So the area to the east of the Sahyadri mountain is also called as Western Ghats. What is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? What is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? Now, this is our Maharashtra state, and see, northern part means north part. So here it is the north part, and we have to find the name of the mountain in the north part of our state. Now, where is the mountain in the north part of our state? So here it is the Kalsubai. See, here it is the name given. So it is the mountain which is situated in the northern part of our state. Which is the river in our state which flows from east to west? So the answer is Narmada river. Answer is Narmada river. See, it is here, Narmada river, which is flowing from east to west. Now next questions we will discuss in next video. Till then you can search the answers from question number 7 to question number 12. You search it and keep it. I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.